All news tonight, nearly 400 juveniles were arrested for violent crimes in the district last year. Sadly, 16 kids shot and killed.
Yeah, the alarming numbers have people demanding accountability and asking, is the juvenile justice system really working? Our Mariel Carbone is live from the Lamont Riggs Public Library tonight, where the Attorney General is answering that question. And Mariel, AG Brian Schwab says we have a challenge going on right now in our city.
That's right, Tasmin. That's what he is saying here tonight. He says that there are just too many young people being the victims of or involved in crime. Now, tonight's town hall, it focused on that crime, but also on how the system is responding.
Within the first few weeks of the new year, multiple kids were shot, and some of the shooters were also children.
We're in a new generation.
But Youth Mayor Lourdes Robinson, who is just 16 herself, says kids are trying hard to change the narrative.
I think that youth are really taking initiative and stepping up to the plate when it comes to make better of their life or trying to change their environments.
Still, she says it's a different world, and crime affecting this generation of kids needs to be looked at differently.
You know, just being a positive role model and support can really help.
Police say juvenile crime is rising. The number of kids shot in D.C. in 2022 is roughly double that of 2021.
We have a challenge in our city.
Attorney General Brian Schwab's office handles the prosecution of juveniles. He says when it comes to kids, the goal is twofold: ensuring public safety and rehabilitating the kids.
These young people are not going to be locked up forever. And so we have to do whatever we can to help make sure that whatever we do with these young people, we try and help them make better decisions in the future.
Seema Gashwani is special counsel for juvenile justice reform in the AG's office. She says oftentimes the longer the child is in the system, the worse their outcome.
Long term, young people who penetrate through the justice system are less likely to get a job, to even get married.
Which is why accountability for kids who commit crimes often focuses around services.
We have to think about education. We have to think about housing. We have to think about everything that touches our young people.
And the district is investing $115 million this year in crime prevention and intervention. That money, Chris and Tasmin, it is separate from any funding for MPD. Reporting live in Northeast D.C. tonight, I'm Mariel Carbone, D.C. News Now.